Breastfeeding is more than just feeding, it's science in action. Did you know that breast milk isn't just food, but a dynamic, living substance that adapts to your baby's needs? In this video, we'll explore why breastfeeding is nature's perfect baby food, backed by science. Let's get started. Breast milk is more than just nutrition. It's liquid gold packed with over 200 bioactive components. Proteins and enzymes aid digestion and development. Essential fats support brain growth. Prebiotics and probiotics promote a healthy gut microbiome. Pro tip: unlike formula, breast milk changes composition in real time based on your baby's needs. One of the most amazing things about breast milk is its ability to protect your baby from infections. Antibodies, IgA, IgG, IgM, coat baby's gut and prevent infections. White blood cells fight bacteria and viruses. Human milk oligosaccharides, HMOs, feed good bacteria and strengthen immunity. Pro tip: if you get sick, your body creates antibodies in real time, which pass to your baby through breast milk. Breast milk fuels brain power. Studies show breastfed babies tend to have higher IQ scores and better cognitive development. DHA and ARA fatty acids are essential for brain growth. Choline and taurine boost memory and learning. Hormones like oxytocin and prolactin enhance bonding and emotional intelligence. Pro tip: the longer you breastfeed, the greater the cognitive benefits for your child. Unlike formula, breast milk is customized for your baby and adapts to their exact nutritional needs. Colostrum, days 1 to 5, is packed with antibodies and growth factors. Transitional milk, weeks 1 to 2, increases in fat and lactose. Mature milk, beyond 2 weeks, continually changes based on baby's growth. Pro tip: did you know your breast milk composition changes when your baby is sick to provide extra immune support? Breastfeeding doesn't just help babies in the short term, it lowers the risk of major diseases later in life. It reduces obesity risk. Breastfed babies have a lower BMI as adults. It lowers type 1 and 2 diabetes risk, regulates blood sugar levels. It prevents allergies and asthma, strengthens the immune system. Pro tip: even just a few months of breastfeeding provides lifelong health benefits. Breastfeeding is truly nature's perfect baby food, designed by evolution to give babies the best start in life. It boosts immunity. It fuels brain development. It adapts to your baby's needs. Did you learn something new today? Drop a comment below. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more health and parenting insights. And check the description for breastfeeding support resources and expert recommendations.